Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. This might sound complex, but I'll make it super simple to understand. What is a many-to-many relationship? A many-to-many relationship allows many records in one object to relate to many records in another object. Unlike simpler relationships that link one record to another, this setup lets a whole group connect with another group. Why use a many-to-many relationship? They're perfect for when items in one group need to interact with items in another group. For example, in a school system, a student can attend many classes, and each class can have many students. This relationship helps organize these connections cleanly and clearly. How to create a many-to-many relationship? First, log into your Salesforce account. Go to the setup where we build our relationship structure. Navigate to the Object Manager and click Create and select Custom Object. Label your Junction object. Select all the required features and click Save. Select the tab style and click Next. Set your visibility and click Next. Select the visibility of the tab on Custom Map and click Save. This object will serve as the bridge for our two objects. In your Junction object, navigate to Fields and Relationships. Click New and select Master Detail Relationship and click Next. Select your required object and click Next. Configure your sharing settings and click Next. Set your visibility and click Next and click Next. Click Save and New to create another Master Detail field. Select Master Detail Relationship and click Next. Select your required object and click Next. Configure your sharing settings and click Next. Set your visibility and click Next and click Next. Click Save. Each master detail field will link to one of our primary objects. So one will link to students and the other to classes. Let's add some records to our Junction object admission. Click New. In the New Admission window, select your student and respective class and click Save. Click New and add another record by selecting your student and respective class and click Save. Here, you can link multiple students to multiple classes. Each record represents a unique combination, like linking student John Doe to algebra and geometry. And that's it. You've just created a many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. This setup allows you to manage complex interactions between groups efficiently. Thank you for joining us in the Salesforce Art Studio today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. This is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep organizing and innovating.